In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Binance verification failed issue on mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Binance app on your device. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. An outdated version can often cause verification errors. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then go to Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for the Clear Cache option. Tap on Clear Cache and confirm. This will remove temporary files that might be interfering with the verification process. After clearing the cache, completely close the Binance app. Then reopen it and go back to your profile. Tap on Verification to restart the identity verification process. If you're still getting the verification failed message, here are a few additional fixes. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Ensure your ID document is valid, not expired, and clearly visible in the photo. Avoid glare, shadows, or blurry images. When taking a selfie, make sure you're in good lighting and remove hats, glasses, or face coverings. Also, make sure the personal details you entered exactly match your ID, including spelling and date of birth. If the issue continues, go to the Help Center inside the Binance app and contact support. Submit a ticket with screenshots of the error message for faster assistance. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.